Okay, Patrice, how you doing? All right, time is money. I've got your sketches up. I think your sketches are effective. I think this definitely depicts time as money. This one to a lesser degree, and this is interesting too. But I think the issue that we're having here, and by the way, a student had posted the same proverb using almost identical solutions. So I think it's really important to mention that it would be very effective for students to go through the post just to see if their ideas aren't identical, if not similar, to something that's already been posted. I think to use something that's already been posted theoretically is probably doing a disservice to the person who already posted that. So in that regard, I think it's really important to make sure that your work hasn't already been, the ideas haven't already been presented. So for that reason, I'd say this one, these first three, I should say the clock, the watch plus money, and the hourglass those have been used. Okay, so let's go ahead and not use those. Now, I think one of the issues that we're having in there's some students that are really immediately understanding rebus and its intent, and there's some students that are taking rebus into more of a abstract direction by trying to depict the statement using an ideogram or a pictogram. Now, the idea behind rebus is to allow the viewer you are, as a designer, going to assist the viewer in phonetically enunciating all of the syllables in the word of the phrase in order to put it together pictorially so that the viewer can look at the pictures that say time is money and say, oh, okay, time is money. Okay, this is a great example. It's an excellent solution. But unfortunately, it's already been used as an example. So as I said, I think it would be doing the student who posted it first a little bit of a disservice, right? So this is time. Now, this says plus. So this is going to read as time plus money. It's not reading time is money. So you need to depict is. How are we going to say is without using text? If you have to use text, you have to use text. But time is money. These ones, again, this is a pictogram or an ideogram using to depict the time as money. This, I think, is pretty effective, though, even though these are time in the money bag. So you could use time with a clock, and then is, and then the money bags. I mean, that one hasn't been used, so that'll work, definitely. But think about how you're going to depict the word is instead of trying to put these all together. Let's allow the viewer and assist the viewer in enunciating the phrase so that they can get it in terms of rebus as opposed to getting it in terms of ideogram or pictogram. Okay, so at this point, I would say reassess the first three and let's see what you can come up with as far as a final solution goes. And don't forget, the idea is to help phonetically to assist the viewer in phonetically enunciating in order to put the puzzle together as opposed to giving a one image or one illustration pictogram. All right, I hope my comments make sense, Patrice. Let me know. But as far as this goes, let's just go ahead and take my comments into context and really think about how you're going to decipher the puzzle phonetically in your final solution. All right, again, really important. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks very much.